Greetings of the day viewers. In my previous video, I explained the check-in process. Now I'm going to board the plane where the flight captain will make necessary announcements for the flight.
देहरादून से हम अभी आए हैं, कोई और वेदर सिग्निफिकेंट वेदर का आशंका नहीं है। आशा करते हैं ये फ्लाइट आपके लिए कंफर्टेबल रहेगी। और मैं देख पा रहा हूँ आप लोग सब बोर्ड कर चुके हैं। कृपया करके जितनी शीघ्र हो सके अपने अपने स्थान ग्रहण कर लीजिए ताकि इस जर्नी को हम अंजाम दे पाए। बातचीत होती रहेगी हवा पे। इंडिगो को चूज करने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। Gentlemen, this is Captain Amit from the flight deck, welcoming you all to Indigo Flight Sexy 79027, the afternoon flight from the city of Sangam, Prayagraj to Devbhoomi, Dehradun, with a distance of 350 miles between them. I will aim to cover it in an hour and 40 minutes. Weather-wise, whatever clouds you see on top of you is just up to 10,000 feet. After that, it's absolutely crystal clear. So we expect this to be a comfortable ride for you. We'll be climbing to about 18,000 feet for the route out. As I see most of you have already boarded, ladies and gentlemen, kindly settle down as quickly as possible so that we can commence this journey to get you to Dehradun before time. And thank you so much for choosing Indo. I'll keep speaking to you in flight wherein I'll give you more information about our destination as well as the route. Enjoy the flight. Thank you.
अब हम उड़ान के लिए तैयार हैं। कृपया अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी बांधें, ट्रे टेबल बंद कर लें और विंडो शेड्स खुले रखें। टेक ऑफ और लैंडिंग के दौरान कैबिन की बत्तियां धीमी की जाएंगी। यदि आप पढ़ना चाहें तो पैनल में लगी बत्ती का प्रयोग करें। धन्यवाद। Request your attention please. As we prepare for departure, please open the window shades, close your tray table and fasten your seatbelt. The cabin lights will be dimmed for takeoff and landing. Please use the light in the panel above should you wish to read. Thank you.
The aeroplane has now taken off and I want to show you the scene outside. But there is a problem. I have got the aisle seat. Fortunately, my co-passenger has gone into slumber and now I can sneak to shoot the video through the window. The aeroplane has left the ground now and preparing to go above the clouds. You can see the stretch of land below and now into the clouds. You can see that the plane has gone across and above the clouds. And the clouds can be seen below now. This beautiful view is amazing.
अब मैं आपका ध्यान खींचना चाहूंगा जहाज के जस्ट बाहर, जो कि दाहिने ओर बैठे हुए हैं खिड़की की तरफ। काइंडली खिड़की के बाहर देखिएगा, आपको मिडिल हिमालयस के बहुत ही एक बेहतरीन दृश्य दिखेगी। जो पीक आपके एग्जैक्टली दाहिने ओर अभी आ रही है वो है नंदा देवी, और जहाज की दिशा में अगर आगे बढ़ते जाए 3 पीक एक साथ, वो है त्रिशूल, उसके आगे यमुनोत्री और फिर गंगोत्री। अब थोड़ी सी खुशखबरी, देहरादून से अब हम हैं लगभग 95 मील दूर और इसी गति से चलते रहे, कोई और ट्रैफिक ना हो तो अगले 30 मिनट में आशा करते हैं देहरादून में जाके लैंड करें, जो कि हमारे शेड्यूल टाइम ऑफ अराइवल से पहले ही। देहरादून में अभी तापमान बता रहे हैं 14 डिग्री सेल्सियस। थोड़ी बहुत धूप है, थोड़ी सी धुंध भी है, पर हमारे मिनिमा के अंदर है तो लैंडिंग ऑपरेशन में कोई भी बाधा नहीं पहुंची। और अब जो सज्जन
बाएं और बैठे हैं, निराश ना होइएगा। अगर आपको हिमालय नहीं दिख रहे तो थोड़ी ही देर में आपको एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन दृश्य टीरी लेक की दिखेगी बाएं और टीरी डैम के साथ। और हाँ, अभी अगर आप बाहर देखें, जो शहर के ऊपर से हम जा रहे हैं वो हल्द्वानी है और देहरादून पहुंचने में कुछ समय बाद। We are presently about 85 miles from Dehradun, and going at this rate, we should be touching down anywhere from 48 to 30 minutes from now. That, of course, would be before your scheduled time of arrival, and I hope it's good for you to maintain all your appointments at Dehradun. At Dehradun right now, the temperatures are in the region of 14 degrees centigrade, rising slightly. A little amount of haze in the atmosphere, nothing really to hamper our landing operations. So I expect a clean cruise all the way down to landing, provided there's no traffic, of course. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would really love to introduce my team to you. With me in the flight deck is my second in command and the first officer of this flight, Captain Piyush Kharia. With you in the cabin, leading the cabin is the beautiful Fauziya, and helping her out is the charming Piti Thakur. Ladies and gentlemen, we thank you so much for choosing Indigo as your preferred airline, and hope that you fly by air. We continue meeting each other under clear blue skies with the blue Indigo with flash and logo on the tail of your aeroplane. It's been a great pleasure flying you from the city of Sangam to Devbhoomi, and the pleasure was entirely mine. Here is Captain Amit, wishing you all a very comfortable and happy stay at Dehradun or an onward journey as the case may be. And bidding adieu to all of you till such time we meet again. Have a great day.
The stretch of land can be seen now in this hilly area. Ahead is the greenery that you can see from the window of this aeroplane. Very soon we are going to land at Jolly Grant Airport, Dehradun. These tiny looking buildings make you feel that you are again on your acquainted earth. It seems I'm alighting from heaven to my own earth. In my next video, I'll tell you about my experience at the Jolly Grant Airport, Dehradun. Please subscribe to my channel Learn with Satya Sir for more videos like this, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get notifications when I make new videos for you. And the aeroplane has touched the ground. The landing process will complete after a short run of the airplane on this runway. I'll further show you the glimpse of inside the plane again. But before that, let me thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Learn with Satya Sir for more videos like this. I would request you to press the bell icon in order to get notifications for such videos.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived in Dehradun. का संकेत बंद होने तक कृपया आप अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी बांधे रखें और सामान कक्ष न खोलें। हम आपसे निवेदन करते हैं कि विमान से उतरते समय अन्य यात्रियों से पर्याप्त दूरी बनाए रखें। कक्ष सावधानी से खोलें और अपने सामान की पहचान कर लें। कैबिन का तापमान आरामदायक बनाए रखने के लिए आपसे निवेदन है कि द्वार खुलने के बाद कृपया विंडो शेड्स बंद कर दें और एयर वेंट्स खोल दें। अपनी यात्रा में इंडिगो को शामिल करने के लिए धन्यवाद।